In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to log into ClassKick in order to complete your assignments. When I have an assignment that's posted to ClassKick, I need to first look at any directions before I complete the assignment. I can see in this class that Miss Piggins has posted a YouTube link that goes along with the ClassKick assignment. So the first thing I'll do is watch the video, and then I will click on the ClassKick assignment. When I go to ClassKick, it's important that you do not put your name in the name box. It will not allow you to sign into ClassKick if you type anything in this box before you hit login. So with that box empty, I'm going to hit the button that says login. And since I'm already connected to Clever when I sign into the Chromebook, I'm going to hit the button that says continue with Clever. When you go to ClassKick, it may load slowly. If you see an error message that says the internet connection appears to be offline, that is a problem with ClassKick's server and not your home internet. Please be patient until the assignment loads. Sometimes it can take 2 to 3 minutes before the assignment will appear. This is due to the large number of people using ClassKick across the country for virtual learning. Once your ClassKick assignment loads, it'll look like this. The teacher can record instructions, and you can play those by clicking the play button, or they may have also wrote instructions out on the page. There are several tools that I can use, such as a pen tool, a highlighter, an eraser, and a text box. I can also add an image or record my own voice into the meeting or into the assignment. Once you have completed everything in this assignment, you simply need to close ClassKick and come back to your Google Classroom page and find the next assignment that you should be working on. If you have any more questions about ClassKick, please reach out to your child's teacher.